If you want to target specific conference or site event attendees, there are multiple ways to do this. There are two main ways that we track attendee contacts. First, through site events on Luma for each conference, and through relevant Telegram groups that our team handpicks for every conference each year. Now, in this specific case, for conferences and site events, you would be looking under person filters. The first most easy filter that you can use is called a conference. So you just go here, select a specific Web3 or the iGaming conference that you want, let's say EFCC, and this will automatically give you all of the contacts from both the Telegram groups and the site event. So you can see quite a lot, almost 5,500 for the upcoming EFCC. You can keep adding other filters, for instance, title, or the number of X followers the person have. You can also only look at people that have a company affiliation. So those filters will give you everybody with and without the company. If you want to look at people that have a company affiliation, under company filters, click include company info. If you don't care what the company does, or keep playing with filters such as the type and the vertical. Let's say we're only interested in service providers, so we would go to type service provider. Now, the second way to target the attendees is through specific Telegram groups. So we can go under person filters, filter called Telegram group, and we have a list of all of the Web3 groups that we have ever parsed. And you can choose the specific groups affiliated with a certain conference. How do you know which groups you need to choose? For all of the clients, we share a special Google Sheet with a table that has a list of all the relevant groups next to each conference, and you know exactly which groups to use. You can keep adding more filters just like before. Layer the title on top, layer the X followers on top, etc. The third way that you can target the attendees is through specific site events. So under person filters, there is a filter called Luma event. Same thing. Under the same Google Sheet, we have a list of all of the site events we have tracked for a particular conference. Just multi-select any events you're interested in. Boom, we have 547 contacts. I don't know if these are from EFCC or not, but that's just an example. Again, layer any other filters on top, add any company filters if you want, and you're good to go.